Good evening, Raminder. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for joining in for the interview and congratulations once again for your results.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So tell me something. How did you find out about IELTS material?
It was just I was scrolling the Instagram and I got an ad and I just clicked and they just called me by themselves then.
Okay. And can you share your experience with IELTS material regarding the material and other things also?
Yes, the most important thing that I love the most is that mentor. I guess that she's the best teacher I have ever got. She's like connected with the teachers, very connected with the students in a very good manner. She's just not a teacher. Literally, she's just not a teacher. She just considered the score of a student as her target. Like she have to help the students like to achieve the target. She's so passionate about helping them. And the material, I can say that it's good material is good, but else I can say that I was weaker in reading section, and my mentor provided me a great aid, and I was able to score good in reading after the help of mentor. If not she, I would not have been scored this score.
Okay. Also mention something about how were the mock tests? Like how was the frequency of the mock test and how did you like them?
The frequency of the mock test was like once in a week. And if you want to practice like daily, they provide the modules on a daily basis too. And else I can say that the mock tests were like actual, literally like the actual exam. They are like very close to the actual exam. So they are quite helpful.
And would you want to talk about something or which module did you find extremely difficult? And how did you overcome your weaknesses regarding those?
It was the reading section that I found the most difficult, and I was struggling in the reading section throughout my preparation. Even a week before the exam, I was like struggling with the reading section. And then I had a class with my mentor just for the reading section, like targeted to the reading section only. And after that, I felt comfortable. I just come to know about the tips and the tactics that are required to do the reading, and I come to know where I was like lagging behind, what is the drawbacks that I'm facing, and then I was like good with the reading.
Okay. And what do you think about the feedback session that your trainer, used to give to you? Was that helpful?
Yeah, that would like most required thing, I guess. Like you come to know that where you are weak.
Okay. Okay. Any tip that you would like to give, to the future aspirants of IELTS? What should be taken care of? How should they prepare? Any tip that you would want to share with them?
Uh, I guess consistency is the tip. I guess we have to like practice. We have to build the stamina and practice like frequently on the last few days. And also, I can say that practice reading also and practice speaking also. You have to be comfortable with the speaking, but speak slowly. The most important tip. I was not able to do that in my final exam too, but that's the tip I can say for the Indians. Like speak slowly.
Okay. And what are your future plans now? What are your goals now? And how do you, what do you want to do now?
I want to apply, go to Canada by the express entry. First of all, I have to do my degree evaluation, and my main target is USMLE, and I have to go pursue my master degree in US.
All right. So, wishing you all the best for your future endeavors and all the
Thank you
best.
so much, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.